So, Bill, can I interrupt a little bit and ask you, could you clarify for all of our guests here the concept of taxonomies, what you're talking about when you're talking about integrating these into taxonomies quickly?
Surely, Patty. In order to process text, you need something called a taxonomy. A taxonomy is nothing more than a classification of words. In the case of healthcare, you're going to have words about medication. You're going to have words about procedures. You're going to have words about disease. You're going to have words about commonly used words that a doctor will use in his or her practice. That's what a taxonomy is. The taxonomy plays the role of doing, actually, the taxonomy does lots of things. The number one role the taxonomy plays is it allows you to find what is of interest in the document. The second role the taxonomy plays is it allows you to infer context. And so those are the what words are you looking for, and what is the context of the words. And we've used the word fire. If I were a city worker talking about work done in the city, and I was talking about a fireman, fire would have the context of conflagration. If I were in human resources, a taxonomy for human resources, fire would have the context of dismissal. If I were in the military, fire would have the context of pulling the trigger on a gun. So a taxonomy, for all practical purposes, a taxonomy is the data model for text. Now, it's not a data model, but conceptually, it is a data model. In reality, it's actually far different from what people construe as a data model for the structured environment. In truth, Patty, we could talk about this subject for a week because it's a very involved subject. But that's a high level view of what a taxonomy is.